Per Inside EVs, Xiaomi has revealed its first crossover SUV, the YU7, following a leak by China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. The YU7 adopts a sleek, cab rearward design, drawing comparisons to the Ferrari Purosangue. It features hidden retractable door handles, dual electric motors producing 681 horsepower, and a factory launch date set for June or July 2025. Pricing details for the YU7 have not been officially announced, but speculation suggests it could start at around $34,000, similar to the Tesla Model Y in China. The YU7 will be manufactured alongside Xiaomi's SU7 sedan, which has already surpassed its 100,000 unit production goal ahead of schedule since its December 2023 debut. Xiaomi's entry into the electric vehicle market has been well received, with the SU7 praised for its design and seamless integration with Xiaomi's smart home ecosystem. Analysts predict the YU7 could pose significant competition to Tesla and other domestic and international brands in China's crowded electric vehicle market next summer. You are listening to Yuan News.